on guys, it's GBP baby, welcome to a trade execution video. Now this is actually a voiceover because I wasn't able to talk during this execution, but you'll see I just entered a short position on euro. The context is that we're just trading away that purple line. We're trading away from the Asian range. We've just started the New York session, that's that blue line, the blue vertical line. And here I'm just pointing out the fact that that high has been taken. So that fact that high has been taken tells me that price doesn't need to go back up there for now, and I'm expecting a run down to that little red target that I have set below there. So that was pretty much the context, and yeah, we got a nice run lower. And then you can see I'm just marking out here 50% off the London range. Now the reason I marked this out is because price tends to do this a lot. It'll start the New York session and you'll see that price tends to retrace into the London range. So if you split the London range into quarters, you'll find that the 50% level sometimes gets traded to, or even the 25% level. And when you do this, it just allows you to add a little bit more confluence and give you a little bit more confidence that price is going to turn and again not trade back up to that level. So here you'll see I'm trading back into a little what do you call it, bet. So there's a bullish order block on the left side, on the buy side, that you see in black, and I've drawn out a pink box away from that. I'm just showing how we traded right into that, and then price turned away straight away after that to continue to trade lower. And the reason for that is because we were accumulating at that position on the way up into the purple level, and then on the way down you can see that we're now selling into that. So price refers to these levels and uses it as the opposite PD array for moving lower. So you can see how we traded into it and how it's getting rejected away from there because we are distributing at that level now. So on the left side we accumulated, and then on the right side we're distributing at the same level. And I put a little white thumb there just to show that I'm happy that it closed below that black line I have locked out. The fact that we closed below that, I was happy to see that, so that's why I put a little thumb there. So here I'm just delineating south side liquidity. You'll notice there's a little consolidation there as well. I also marked that out, but I'm just marking that there because I'm anticipating price to draw down into that. Now this is an interesting part. This is where I compared the Euro USD to the GBP USD, and what you'll find is that GBP made a higher high, whereas Euro failed to make a higher high. And remember, I am going short, so I want to be trading the weaker pair. That's also in line with the dollar. You'll see I do also add dollar to this, but the fact that there's a divergence here again adds to my theory that we are going to be running lower and running for the sell stops. Because again, there's clearly some kind of distribution happening in GBP, whilst Euro is, failing to make that higher high, and you can see dollar also failed to make a lower low. So that means Euro and dollar are in uniform with each other, in unison, whereas pound is the one moving off, and this is what allows me to continue with my analysis. Furthermore, again, seeing strength in dollar like this, so dollar's failing to make that low low, shows that dollar's moving higher and likely to continue higher, and that again adds to my confluences with Euro for that to be moving lower. So you see we're just consolidating a little bit right now, and then you'll see how price does push down eventually into that south side liquidity. Beautifully. And that's me marking out that consolidation. I didn't actually type it out, but that is a consolidation, and you'll see how price treats it. So you'll look at how this green candle treats this consolidation. We trade into it slightly, and then we get rejected away from it. So there we go, that's the rejection away. And again, that's because there's a consolidation. We traded through it on the downside, and now it should provide resistance, and that's what we're witnessing here. Here's me just checking out dollar, looking for the high that it's trading to. Now what I'm showing here is, again, I'm grading the trading range. So remember, I've graded it with the midpoint and with 25 and 75% levels, and look at how price is treating these levels. After we traded to that 75% level, you can see how price just runs straight for the stops at the bottom. And you'll see I've also got dollar below, just because I want to make sure that as dollar's taken out its high, euro is taking out its low. And there we have it. And that's the end of the trade. Hope you found this insightful, and I'll catch you soon. Peace.